In this guide, I'm going to show you how to use Cash App on iPhone or Android. First, make sure you download Cash App, and once it's downloaded, hit open. You'll then be prompted to enter your phone number or email and complete the sign up process. Once you're signed up, tap your profile icon, open linked banks, and connect a debit card or bank account. Your cash tag is your Cash App username. Other people can use it to find you and send money. You can find it at the very top here within the profile settings. To make a payment, enter an amount, let's say $10, then tap Pay. Search for the recipient using their name, cash tag, phone number, or email. You can add a note, choose your payment source, and confirm. To request money, instead, enter that same amount and tap Request right above Pay. Select a contact, or share the payment link. To withdraw your balance, you'll want to open the Banking Money tab in the bottom left here and tap the button that says Withdraw. Choose the amount and select Standard for a free transfer or Instant for a fee. From this same tab, if you scroll down, you could also order a Cash App card, use direct deposit paper money at supported stores, save money, or invest in stocks and Bitcoin. And in the bottom right corner, this is the Activity tab, and you can review your previous payments and transfers. Before you leave, remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on for more content like this. It really does help out the channel and we'd greatly appreciate it. And if you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Peace.